No, Matthias isn't even BSK. He's just some guy that they know that grows weed. He's never at the block.
Okay.
Thoughts? Thoughts?
I mean, I don't know what the fuck you want me to say. I mean, it's kind of obvious, no?
Well, yeah, but that's
Has
too
it not
lies.
been obvious, like...
Yeah, okay. I've been
So what?
I've been here for 6 hours. 16 hours I spent yesterday hunting these people down. And what do you mean?
I don't know. You wanna go race? Fucking.
I mean, I don't know what the fuck you want me to say. You want me to just go fucking kill him now? You want me to kill fucking...
I think we blood out Future.
What do you want?
I think we
What's
kill
that song?
Future.
Stunlock, man. I'm not gonna.
Bro, it's like fucking Dumb and Dumber. If they want to fucking shoot each other, ocean dump each other, then go for it. I ain't your fucking dad.